Go, Brent! Let's go, Judge Christian!
Hey, Brent, take it home, Brent. Take it home, Brent. Hey, if you guys don't catch each other, you know the other heat?
Yeah, just put some of the post back in. So I don't walk up there. There we go. There we go. That's right, man. That's right, man. Good job. Great race. Great race.
And Ben Whites is our winner of Windward. That is the fastest time so far of the three winners we've had in this division. He ran 11:09. Second was Luke Zanuck, his teammate, 11:23. Rochender of Desert Christian third at 11:27.
All the way through, y'all. All the way through. Go ahead and get some water. Bring your best water.
Diego Escalante of Thatcher finishes in fourth at 11:40. William Warfield of Pacifica Christian, 11:43. Andrew Grinsfelder, his teammate, in sixth at 11:46. In seventh, Bednar of Xavier Prep at 11:52. Eighth, Gandolfi from Pacific Christian, 11:55. Ninth was Lindoff from Windward, 11:56. And rounding out the top 10, Chuck Weathers of Desert Christian at 12:03. Windward is the first team now to have 5 finishers.
Y'all do your best to keep moving. Do your best to keep moving. Go get some water. Great race, fellas. And happens to the best of us, man. Happens to the best of us. There we go. Finish all the way through. Good. Go get some water. Go ahead and get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Don't go down. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Good. Go get some water. Great race, my man. Great race. There we go. Great job, y'all. Go ahead and get some water. Go ahead and get some water. Finish. There we go, y'all. Go ahead and get some water. Now go down. Go ahead and get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving. There we go. Finish. There we go. There we go, y'all. Go There we go. Go ahead and get some water, y'all. Keep moving. Do your best to keep moving. Don't go down. Don't go down. There we go. There we go. Go get some water, fellas. Go get some water, fellas. Do your best to keep moving. There we go, y'all. Go get some water. There we go. Great job, y'all. Great job, y'all. Go get some water. Great job, my man. Go get some water. Do your best to keep moving. There we go. Finish through. Good. Don't go down, my man. Go get some water. Great race, y'all. Great race, y'all. Great race, y'all. There we go. Great race, y'all. Go get some water. Y'all best to keep moving. Keep moving. There we go. Great job, fellas. Y'all running all the way through. There we go. Finish.
I like how we can get over or
Great job, my man.
Yeah, I think super big.
There we go. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go, my man. Go ahead and get some water, right? Get some water. Go ahead and get some water. There we go. Finish. There we go, y'all. Go ahead and get some water, y'all. Great race. There we go. Get all the way to the line. Let's finish all the way through. There we go, all the way through, all the way through. There we go, go ahead and get some water, my man. Go ahead and get some water. There we go, finish through. Great job, my man. Great job, y'all. There we go, go ahead and get some water, my man. Don't go down. There we go, stay up. There we go, finish through. Good job, my man. Go ahead and get some water, right? Finish all the way through, y'all. Finish all the way through, fellas. There we go, finish. Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water, right? Great job, y'all. Great job, y'all. That's the way to push, man. That's the way to push. There we go, my man. Go ahead and get some water, man. Great race. There we go. Come on.
And here we go with the fourth and final heat of the Division 5 boys.
Y'all go ahead and get some water. Great race, fellas. Go ahead and get some water, right? Great job.
St. Margaret's, San Juan Capistrano, ranked number 4 in the division, the Academy League champs. They're here, Chadwick. They were third in the team sweeps at the Mount Sac Invitational. Cate, Holly, Public Safety Academy, the Majestic League champs, and Hawthorne Math and Science, Coastal League champions. Aquinas, Campbell Hall, Mary Star of the Sea, Mesa Grande Academy, and Samuel Lee Academy, and St. Paul round out the teams here in Division 5 boys, Heat 4.
There we go, my man. Finish. There we go. Great job, fellas. Great